In this video, I'll show you how to create accounts on Upwork. Open your browser. You're going to be using the upwork.com. This is where you can be able to create your Upwork account. So right now, you're going to see sign up. So click on it. If you click on it, wait for it to open up. So what you need to do now, you need to select from this option. If you want to hire a project or if you want to be working as a freelancer, you need to choose any of them. So I think I'm going to be choosing the second option. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on this, right? So what you need to do now, you need to come on here. You need to enter the required details, right? Once you are done, you're going to click on the create account. You're going to be able to create your Upwork account. If you found it really helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.